In this video, you will see fiscal year variant. Before that, I did not give any city information in company and company code. So first we'll add there X15. We go to X15. G. You can see give city. Example Washington. I have given only mandatory information there and OX02. It's getting locked. Since this is a shared system, it's getting locked used by someone. Go to SM12. In that cases, uh, 32. The search and select all. Just delete it. Now SM sorry OX02 and GIP. Come here, give city. I'm giving Delhi and country region is India. Just give this information and save. I just given for the first time when creating only for mandatory information only. So here you can see this is a transaction information. If you go to here, what program is running for this company code, you can see the program information also here. And if you go to system status, here also you can see the program screen. Which program, if you want to give the program to a mapper, or you want to create something, you want to check for the program inside, you can go for the check from here or here, program information. And now we will create the fiscal year variant. Here this is a T code OB29. So what is the fiscal year variant? Fiscal year variant is nothing but accounting year, each period of transactions. We have 12 normal periods, means every calendar month equals to one period, and 4 special periods. These are used for the one adjustment purpose only. Okay. For example, if we take India, we will take as April to March for calendar year, the financial accounting year. For example, US, it's a calendar year, January to December. So this is like how we took normally. Here you can see, for this no need to create a new one, we can take as existing ones. So I want to take K4 here. So this is a calendar year, so there is no confusion. So someone people has a shortened fiscal year. Shortened fiscal year nothing but less than 12 periods. If you take any period, that is called as a shortened fiscal year. So that will take very rarely. For example, in middle of accounting year, uh, our company code is migrating to, we are taking the information from another country. So that time, for example, old system to new system is coming the information. That time we will take a shortened fiscal year. So now no need. We can take it as a K4 and we can assign directly to the our company code. So OB37. Here our company code is GEIP and we can take it as a fiscal year variant is K4 and just save it. In next video, we'll create posting period variant. Thank you.